Hey, I'm Nico with Kings Pressure Wash, Portland's Christmas Light Kings. We're here in Lake Oswego, Oregon today, helping this homeowner stay off the roof and keep the ladders in the garage this holiday season. Our LED lights give us the ability to cut and splice wherever we need to make the perfect light strand for your gutter or roof line with no extra and no coming up too short. If you want to stay off the roof this year, give us a call or a text at 503-575-6635 to schedule your free estimate today.